ሰላም ጤና ይስጥልኝ እንደምን አላችሁ ዳጊ ነኝ እንኳን ወደዚህ ቻናል በሰላም መጣችሁ Hi guys, this is Dagi. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to make this Gomen Kitfo which I made for መስቀል Okay, እሺ ማሳያችሁ ዛሬ ጎመን ክትፎ ነው ለመስቀል የሰራሁት ቪዲዮን በእንግሊዘኛ አድርጌዋለሁ ግን ምናልባት አስፈላጊ የሆኑ ፓርቶቹን በአማርኛ እናገራለሁ ጥያቄ ካላችሁ ግን ኮሜንት ላይ ጻፉልኝ እሺ Okay guys, most of the video is going to be in English. I'll try and make it simple and clear as possible. It's very simple but yummy and delicious food, okay? Stay with me till the end of the video. Okay, there are different types of greens you can use, but I'm actually using collard greens or spring greens for this video. And first we start off by chopping it very fine. This is probably the hardest part of the cooking process, so if you can get through this then most of it will be done. እሺ መጀመሪያ ያው ጎመናችን ከትፋለን እኔ የመረጥኩት ኮለርድ ግሪን ወይም ስፕሪንግ ግሪን የሚባለው ነው ያው አገር ቤት ታይፕ አለው አይነት አለው ግን እዚህ የተለያዩ ታይፖች ስላሉ ያገኛችሁትን መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ ወይም የምትመርጡትን ማለት ነው ያው መጀመሪያ ላይ ትልቁ ስራ መክተፍ ነው እንደምታዩት እየከተፍኩ ነው መክተፉን ካለፋችሁ በቃ ኦልሞስት ሁሉ ነገር አልቋል ማለት ነው ስለዚህ አይዟችሁ መክተፉን እንደምንም ብላችሁ ትንንሽ አርጋችሁ ከተፉት So once we're done chopping it, the next stage will be steaming the greens. So as you can see, I've finished chopping mine as well. So first we start off by boiling the water. I'm using lots of water, so it saves me having to add. But if you feel like you need more water and it's not steamed enough yet, it needs to be very soft. So make sure that you add more boiling water as you go along. So we add our greens and steam it in there. So our greens is ready, so the next process will be draining the water out. This is very important. We need to make sure we take as much water out as possible, pretty much we think that it's actually done, there's no more water left, that's when we should stop. So there are two ways that I will show you how to do it. In Ethiopia, they put a heavy stone on top of like a bag of greens to let it drain out in a long time. I will be doing that as well, but another way is to use your hands. That will take as much water out as possible and you feel it very dry. እሺ ውሃውን ማውጣት አለብን። ያው ሀገር ቤት ድንጋይ ይጫንበታል። እንደዚህ እቃ ሄቪ ነገር አስቀምጣችሁበት መውጣት ይችላል። ግን በእጃችን ስንጨምቀው ነው ቤስት የሚሆነው እና ምንም አይነት ውሃ መቅረት የለበትም። ውሃው በደንብ መውጣት አለበት። ሁለቱንም መንገድ ግን መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ። So these will be the seasonings that we are going to use for this recipe. So this is Korerima, but we'll be using the we'll need to grind it down, but I just wanted to show you what it actually looks like. It's Ethiopian cardamom, so it looks a lot more like cardamom. This is Mitmita. This is very spicy seasoning from Ethiopia as well, but if you guys are familiar with Ethiopian seasoning, then you know that. And also kibbeh. Kibbeh is spiced Ethiopian butter or seasoned Ethiopian butter, and you can make that yourself or buy it from any Ethiopian stores. So what we do, we leave the heat at the lowest possible. So mine is a hob, so I left it at 1. So it's just to keep it warm, not too hot, not too cold, but like just warm. And we'll have the butter, salt and korerima mixed together first initially, and we'll mix that well with the greens. We'll mix it by itself, then we'll mix it with the greens before we add mitmita, which will be later on in the stage. እዚህ ጋር ሚክስ ታደርጉ እሳቱን በጣም ትንሽ በእጃችሁን ብትነኩ ጣባው እንደማያቃጠል ማለት ነው። እንደዛ አድርጉት። መጀመሪያ ያለ ሚጥሚጣ ቅቤ ጨውና ኮረሪማን እንቀላቀላለን። ከዛ ጎመኑ ይገባል ማለት ነው። ቅቤውን በኋላ ላይ እንጨምረዋለን። አሁን ግን ትንሽ ጋል ያለ እሳት ማለት ነው። በጣምም አይደለም፣ በጣም የቀዘቀዘ በጣም እንትን ያላለ ሳይሆን የሚያቃጥል ሳይሆን። እኔ አሁን ያው ቅቤውን እንደማቅለጫ ማለት ትችላላችሁ፣ ወይም ደግሞ ጎመኑን እንደማሞቂያ። እኔ የምጠቀመው ኤሌክትሪክ ሆብ ነው። 1 ቁጥር ላይ ነው ያደረኩት ለመረዳት እንዲጠቅማችሁ ማለት ነው። Okay, now we add the greens. As you can see, I was using my hands to get the last bit of the water out. So we add that and mix it well with the seasoning. So Gomen Kitfo is ready now. We can dish it as desired and enjoy. እሺ ያው ጨርሰናል። እንደምንፈልገው እናቀርባለን ማለት ነው። በምንፈልገው መልኩ እናቀርባለን። ምግባችንም ዝግጁ ነው ማለት ነው። Okay, we have come to the end of our video. Hope you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. I'll see you with another video. Thank you. Bye. እሺ ቪዲዮአችንን ጨርሰናል። ከወደዳችሁት ሼር ላይክ አድርጉ። ሰብስክራይብ ካላደረጋችሁ ሰብስክራይብ አድርጉ። በሌላ ቪዲዮ እንገናኛለን። መልካም ጊዜ። ባይ። Enjoy.